Saturday morning and it's rained all night and we're about to go on the beach and get really wet. Are we, dogs? Are you ready? We're waiting for Dad, aren't we? All stood at the door, aren't you? All leaded up. Waiting for slow coach Daddy to get his clothes on, aren't we? Hey. You can't, that's not my fault, is it? It's not my fault that your dad never is ready when we're ready. It's always the same, isn't it? Hey, you blame Dad. It's not my fault that we stood here waiting at the door. Right, we're about ready. Still waiting for Dad, but we're outside. We're finally at the beach. Sorry about the wind noise. Okay, boys, go. Okay, here we go. We'll have to put a bit of music over the top of the wind noise. It's quite bad. Well, it's a change of weather. I think winter is finally here. Whoa! Really bad. The wind noise was that bad that I've had to kind of do a voiceover and put a bit of music to it. But this bit just here is where Mark's chasing his hat up the beach. It blew off twice, and the second time I didn't think he was going to be able to catch it. The dog managed to stop it the first time. Dog really enjoyed himself. He was barking his head off and rolling around in the sand. The pointers weren't ever so keen. It was really, really windy and cold, and the pointers were shivering. Even little Bladey, my mum's dog, was shivering when we hadn't gone very far. And when we turned round to come back with the wind in his face, it was horrendous. But they all had a good time. We're turning back now. It was getting that bad you could hardly stand up, so we're just going to walk back along the front, along these beach huts, and get back before we freeze to death. Well, we're back. Dogs are drying in their nice toweling coats. Wonder where the girls have gone. Where's the girls? Here's the girls. Well, why are you in there, Freya? Why are you in Flinny's cage? Hey?
She can.
Is it because you want feeding?
It's feeding time.
Oh, well, you're going to have to wait a minute while I get my waterproof soft.
I'm washing the sand and the salt water off my glasses.
Yeah, because we
washed my hat down in it. It's blown down the beach twice.
Yeah, we got a bit blown away, didn't we? It was gale force on the beach.
Yeah.
Not too bad going down the beach, but not very good having to battle it on the way back up. Well, I think that's it for today. I don't think I'm going anywhere else. My mum wants to go somewhere. She can go a trundle on a mobility scooter. I'm not going out in that again. So I'm going to find something to watch on the television and cuddle up on the sofa with the dogs and spend the day in the warm. So see you tomorrow.